Today we're going to talk about something important, how training is taken to the next level using technology. This is the Samsung Flip board. Most of us generally use this kind of a board service which is available across every single training organization. But then when it comes to taking training to the next level, technology is helpful here because we're taking technology into the Flipboard. So what is a Flipboard? A Flipboard is a replacement for your regular board. So why do we have to use it? Why should you spend about $3,000 on this particular machine when you can do it with a marker and a pen? There are a lot of distinctive advantages that you can use in a Flipboard. Let us go through some of the things that are available. So first of all, this is a 50-inch screen that is available from Samsung. It's a touch screen which comes with an inbuilt marker. This marker can be used to write anything you want on the Flipboard. The advantage of this marker is it is not specific to one color. You can change colors if you want. For example, all you have to do is press and hold, and you have different colors that you can go ahead and use it. The marker also has another end. This is not an eraser but more of a highlighter which you can use to highlight points that you want to highlight. Apart from all these things, there are other features as well on this board which are very useful for a trainer. The first one, let's look at the options that are available. The first option that is, these are some of the options that are available on the board. You can either choose between a black board and a white board depending on what you want. So you can open a new file, you can save the file, you can reuse the file again, and these are some of the biggest advantages of using this particular Flipboard technology, because once you erase anything on the regular board, you can't get it back again. You can also have different pages. For example, if you look at this is a page breaker that is available. If you go inside, these are the pages that are available. For example, you go to page 3, you can write something, page 3. And then you want to move to page 4. You can move to page 4. And suddenly you want to move back to page 1, you can go back there. So you can move to different pages using this. There is a page breaker as well which you can use. This can be used to move pages without going into the menu as well. So, and this is not only used horizontally in the landscape mode, you can also use it in the portrait mode, which means you can use your text files in the portrait mode as well. Now, apart from text, the distinctive advantage that this one has is the fact that you can add pictures and videos to this. You can connect your smartphone. You can go ahead and connect your smartphone, your laptop onto this particular device, and then you can have images displayed on it. For example, you press on import, you have mobiles, laptop, USB and network drive. These are 4 different input devices that you can use to go ahead and export your data onto this particular Flipboard, which means you can go ahead and share a presentation from your laptop directly onto this Flipboard while using the technology of writing as well. You can also export from this Flipboard. You can save and send it to your email. You can send a document which can be printed. You can send it to your USB drive, which means you can take it back home, or you can even save it in the network drive. So these are some of the distinctive advantages of using a Flipboard. Thank you so much for watching today's video.